What is up, friends? I got a package today. As you can see, it is from SKYPAD. There was a limited drop about a week ago or something like that. And they had a waifu mouse pad. And I just had to get one because I've been wanting a Yuki Aim, one of the Yuki Aim versions, but I always miss those drops. So I had to hop on this one whenever I saw it. This will be my first time to ever have a glass mouse pad, and I'm so excited to see what this is like. This thing is obviously, or at least it seems massive if it's the size of the box. So it's good at least, but I also don't necessarily need that much room. But we'll deal with it. Ooh. Oh, that looks nice. Obviously, this isn't the mouse pad. This is the box it comes in, but holy, look at this thing. That's so nice. Wow. Maybe I should just play on this. Shoot, that feels pretty good, not gonna lie, look. There you go, you get 2 mouse pads when you buy one from SKYPAD. Alright, now I'm gonna assume this is right under. So, the reveal. Ah, no, there's foam. Okay. Alright. Now for the reveal. Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. Wow, I love it. It looks so nice. Ooh, that feels. Whoa. Oh, that's crazy. I don't know if you can hear this, but. Here's my Vaxi XC wireless on it. Oh, that's so fast. Oh, that's so cool. Anywho. Let's get her out of here. Nice. Can't see it, but my cats are over here enjoying these boxes. Wow, this thing is so big. I was not expecting for it to be this big. Well, it sticks nicely on my my mouse pad, which is good because I'm thinking about leaving the mouse pad there. This thing is so freaking big. I did not expect it to be so wide. I mean, it's great for gaming, but you know, if I'm wanting to not be gaming, I gotta have my keyboard way the heck over here. Now this feels really nice, actually. I love how low the initial friction is. And I mean, it doesn't necessarily feel uncontrollable. But I do hear that even if you have a little hair on it, it can mess up your day. And I have 2 cats, so that'll probably get annoying, but I usually wipe middle of the game anyway, so it's all chill. Well, it feels nice. These mouse feet are a little scratchy. Well, I guess I just need to test it out in game. And I also have the HSK Pro. Hopefully the translucent red, the Ruby edition. Hopefully they were supposed to send me that one, but we'll see. Should come in Saturday, in a few days. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's a better look at her. Whoops. It's a very pretty mouse pad. I like it. Oh, and you can see right through the back. Maybe not in the light, but yeah, no, I mean I'm happy with this. This is really cool. So until next time, my friends. Bye.